Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Opera tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to stop Opera from opening on startup. This is actually quite simple. First I open Opera and find myself on my start page. Now I click on the three bars at the top right corner and scroll down until I click on the browser settings. Here we stay with Basic and scroll down a bit to the menu item on Startup. And here I find the setting Run when my computer starts. If I click on the slider, this setting is deactivated and Opera no longer opens when your computer starts up. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.